Okay, so today we're gonna make a continuation. Hello, everybody, to processing. I don't know again when you're watching this. Today we're gonna be doing some coding and processing, right? I haven't made a video in a while, not in a while, just a few days, because busy. My last video was pretty basic. I mean, we just made a rectangle shape. So I wonder what kind of shapes you guys have made, ellipses or triangles or really whatever shape, because it's all possible. So there's lots of things you can do. Again, instead of doing function, do void. That's how processing just works, okay? And I mean, so you can I know instead of putting on functions, it's a little bit different, but we have to get used to this, okay? I think I'll do a Photoshop video later, not now, okay? No, I said I'll do one, maybe Halloween, we'll see. Also, what are you guys gonna do for Halloween? I was thinking we might do something Halloween themed today, but I don't know if we'll be able to do it, or maybe by then, because, I don't know, like a pumpkin patch or something like that, just to get the Halloween spirit in you guys, and I wanna know how you guys are doing. Processing, is it easy for you guys? Is it hard? I want to know what stage you're at, okay? I don't expect you to be very good, but I don't want you guys to feel like you can only do key visualization, you can't just do processing. They're pretty simple. The transition process is easy, so let's get to it. Okay, so here was a rectangle sketch that we made before, right? And I'm just gonna play it, and there it is. Okay, this is our rectangle sketch right there. So we get a rectangle sketch right here, but we didn't fill it up, okay? We just let it be there, and we made the background blue, okay? We didn't give the rectangle any fill or anything like that, okay? We just gave it blue background, and there's a rectangle. You guys can maybe do an ellipse, or square, or whatever, right? I mean, this is kind of like a square, I think. This looks like one, kind of, in the length and the width, but almost the same. Okay, so again, void setup and void draw. Background is simple, rectangle is simple, right? And this code will work. There's no reason why it shouldn't, okay? So I know there are other places where we can write code such as Atom, where we will maybe use Atom when we're gonna get into HTML coding, but later, that's also later, right? I have a uh, computer science meeting later today, so I have that today, and it's gonna be Java, and then maybe I'll get to learn some stuff too. It's gonna be pretty interesting. It's gonna be today at 3 p.m. Yeah. Alright, so this is our rectangle sketch that we did earlier, and this is our little play menu over there. Okay, got it? Correct. I don't know what sketch this is. I think this is a new sketch. So I'm gonna close this sketch, and I'm just gonna use this sketch, okay? Alright, line 1. Line 1 is really where everything starts, okay? So void setup. Now notice what's the problem when I write this void setup. Is it a semicolon? Nope. Come on, you guys gotta know this, okay? No wait. What I'm gonna do today, you guys, I'm gonna try to take a P5 sketch that we made, and I'm gonna turn it into Java. That's what I'm gonna try to do today, okay? So I just log in. Yeah, why do I keep doing Google? I can just log in at this point. Okay. Which sketch do you guys want to convert into Java? Um, let's do something that's gonna be a little bit hard. Let's do my house, right? Let's do my house. Let's convert that into Java, right? So I'm just gonna keep this there for looking at. I'm gonna see if we can maybe turn this sketch, my house, into Java, right? Let's get started. I'm just gonna space this. Alright, void setup. What does that sound? Oh, there's a beeping sound. We'll open rectangle sketch. Alright, now we have to do the size, or something, the size, how big we want it to be, okay, or canvas size basically, okay. I want to make my canvas size, we have 500 by 500 there, so I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, alright, what's next? Let's look at rectangle sketch. Alright, so we close that and then we can just go into the void draw, okay? Let's do that. Void draw. Right? And in void draw, what we did was we wrote our background and a rectangle and we closed it. So in this one, we're going to do a background of 45, 54, and 450. Did we add any sound into this? No. Or house sketch? No, it was just a simple plain old house sketch. Never mind. But it looked like a pretty nice detailed house. There are some things that we can't do with this house that we might not be able to do here. Alright, so we have a rectangle sketch. I don't need that, any of this. Okay. So background. And once we got the background in there, yeah. So what else did we do? We got our background, check. And then we did our roof. We had our roof, okay? And in our roof, we had stroke of 0. Okay? Then we wrote a fill of 108, 0, 0. And then we did a triangle of 75, 150, 327, and right, so then we got 152, 240. Basically sums up the triangle. And then we did a house. Got fill of 0, 420, 620. Okay, then we got a rectangle of 150, 250, 75, 150. Right, and then we did our doorknob, which was a fill of 255, 0, 0, no stroke, fill of 255, 255, 0, ellipse, 60, 60, 30, 30, and then we went to bold the house. Line, 60, 60, 30, 30, stroke, 5, and stroke, weight. Alright, so this is our code. Now let's see what happens. Did I miss anything? Oh, maybe I added some extra stuff. When you run the sketch. I'm trying wrong. I'm spelling everything wrong today, aren't I? Oh, did I forget to do the house? Wait. You guys can notice, you guys probably noticed this, but the house is not there. I mean, we have the door. We didn't finish the door now for some reason. And the house didn't work either. Wait, what did we do wrong? So we did our create canvas and everything right. We gave it a background, that was fine. The roof came in pretty well. The roof worked. Maybe I'm forgetting something else. House fill. What did I write? What did I write? I wrote the wrong code, you guys. I have to fix this. The fill should have been 255. 220. And 0. The rectangle should have been 75. 150. 250. And also 250. There we go. That's the house. And then we forgot to do the door. Well, I did. Don't know about you. Door 0, 420. 620. Left 150. Oh, this was the one I mixed it up with. Okay, house check, door check. The doorknob should have. Let's see, I mixed it up. Why did I mix it up? Should have been 160. This should have been 30. This should have been 10. And this should also have been 10. Did we do the sun? Did we do the sun or not? Right. I didn't do the sun either, Right, and the sun. Oh, but I did write no stroke somewhere. Hold on. I had the place where I wrote no stroke. Hold on, where did I put the doorknob then? With the fill 2550. Right. Take the no stroke. Or wait, Control Z. Or wait, it was fill for the doorknob. It was fill. Oh, no, there was a no stroke for that. There was a no stroke for the doorknob and the sun. Fill 255. Oh yeah, and then after the no stroke, it was an ellipse. Take this out because that's 2 fills. And this I can just move it up. And then came the sun. I know I can write it like that because we don't have a semicolon, but I didn't want to. Ellipse. Sun. Now we can fix this right. No stroke. Fill 55 and sound tired, don't I? But I love making a good video. Always gives me the energy that I need to continue on with my day. Ellipse. 60, 60. This was 60, 60, 30, 30. You guys probably did a better job than doing this. I believe I failed with the order. I think this should have been right. No? And then the mistake here that was made is this should have been 35. This should have been 45. Right, now it should work. Run it again. There we go. So what I want to do is I want to bring on both sketches and I want to show them to you guys, okay? So this was the one we made in processing, and here comes is the one we made in P5. So this is the one we made here, and this is the one we made here. And you guys will need to check right now. Alright? So see, they are basically the same. See? They are the same actually. Oops. See? Alright? It's the same code that was written between them. I just managed to duplicate this in Java. And you're like, dude, basically the same code. We could have just copied and pasted it after the void part, right? I mean, we could have just copied this and pasted it here. So this is why, the only reason why you can't copy and paste the exact same thing is because the function draw won't work, and the function setup won't work, and create canvas won't work. If you replace create canvas size function setup with create void and function draw create void, then it'll work. Then you could it's just a simple matter of copying and pasting. Now you can actually try and you can actually hold on, let me come back to processing. Which one are we doing? No, we're doing this one. You can actually make a new tab, okay, and name it whatever you want, and then you can put the sound file in there. That's what a lot of people do. Is they make a new tab. So one tab will have something going on there, and then next tab will have something going on there, which is pretty cool. I've been recording for like 17 minutes and 22 seconds already. Wow. Oh, I'm tired. Okay. So what we did was we made my house in processing from p5.js. Next project, we could try and get into pumpkin patches. I want to show you guys sketches of p5.js pumpkin patch. Alright, this was made by Kevin Workman, so let's see what he did. Oh, pumpkins just pop up. Okay, so he made a pretty interesting program in, took some lines of code, but he used a lot of logic in this. This is a logic-based sketch. Like, he gave everything values, and once he assigned the values, then he did some math here, right? You gotta see pumpkin center X and pumpkin center Y, which is the position of the pumpkin. And we need different colors of pumpkins, okay? It's not all the same color, and they keep on popping up at different times on the screen. This was actually similar to one of the first sketches that we made, I believe. Okay, so yeah, this is a little pumpkin patch. I want to see p5.js. We got anything for Halloween? Oh, hello world. You guys want to do Hello World? I don't know if you guys want to do Hello World. Hello World's just boring, kind of. I mean, it helps in the basics. Okay, this, all they did was, if you think this was just a image, you're wrong. This is more than just an image. Look how it says boo. Alright, it's more than just an image, okay? I mean, it looks like all they did was they imported a Halloween image, Color and Chaos, but no, he actually put code into this, right? Anyone could have just put a function setup and left everything else blank, put the image in there, and then probably just put your image file there. Anyone could have just done that, right? Anyone could have done that, but no, he actually decided to do this. This, alright, is pretty nice. I want to see if I can get. Why does it keep saying that? I didn't even make any edits to it. Alright. Now processing. Was it processing? Oh yeah, Halloween. I spelled Halloween wrong. Oh, I spelled processing wrong. or something like this kind of Halloween open processing. Oh, this is a sketch. Again, okay. Oh, boo, this is Halloween. Now I'm gonna show you guys how you can go to GitHub and save our code. Ready? I'm gonna end this video in 5 minutes. Because I probably will this time. Okay. Well, they're using MacBook, and it doesn't work for PC, so that method's obviously wrong. Oh, Schiffman. Dan Schiffman. Can I just, like, log in? I'm gonna sign in, log in. Sid-CD is now logged in. Gonna do it. Everybody's read the guide. Right now, click new project. Now write my house in processing. Oh, I also have Grammarly for some reason, and it's coming over here. One critical. Well, I know I spelled it wrong. Can I make you go away now? There is actually a way, actually. Ask me. Turn it off for GitHub. Thank you. Oh, I know I'm spelling wrong. Please go. I just said not to do anything. This sketch is a house made in processing with a. We got a blue background? Yeah, blue background. Blue background. And a yellow color house. Seriously? Alright, template. Just go with default none. Make it public if you want. Search by repository name. And the create project. Now click column. I'm just gonna write done. Preset none. Create column. Yeah, I gave up. I have no idea how to do this. I have no idea, honestly, how this works. Anyway, you made it to the end of the video. Python. Photoshop video, and then we're followed by another processing. Maybe Halloween. We'll see how it goes. See you guys later. Bye.